Hello all. Today we are going to see how to fix the continuous beep sound in our water purifier. We had a continuous beep sound in our auto water purifier until the auto container is filled with water. Ours is a Bluestar water purifier. Whenever you face this issue, keep in mind that you should check the auto electric circuit. In our case, the UV light lamp darkened and was dysfunctional. Hence, we decided to replace it with a new one. Initially, we unwired and removed the outer cover of our water purifier. Then, we unplugged the tubes which bridge between the UV chamber and the water filter. Next, we unplugged the wire connected to the UV light bulb. You can see we have now removed the dysfunctional darkened UV bulb from its chamber. We have purchased online a new UV bulb. This is a Philips bulb which we are replacing. We decided to check if the bulb is in working condition. We connected the bulb externally to check if it is functioning. Our new UV bulb is functioning and is in good working condition. Upon the confirmation of its functionality, we proceeded to insert it inside the UV chamber. Then connected all the tubes and wires as it was earlier. After fitting the external cover, we fixed the water tap of our water purifier. Now we turn on the switch to check if the beep sound has stopped. Yes, we have now fixed it. Subscribe to my channel for more useful information. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.